Hello everyone, Sudeep here and welcome back to my new video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove this activate Windows watermark from your Windows 10 permanently. So let's get started. Just press Windows R on your keyboard and go to run on this and type Regedit and enter OK. After that you will receive a prompt saying do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Just say yes and go to registry editor window. On this registry editor window just go to key local machine folder and expand it. Under this go to system and expand that. Under system look for current control set folder and expand that one as well. Under current control set folder go to services and expand. Once you expand the services folder you will get the long list of folders inside it. So on this list look for SBC folder. So it should be on the very bottom of this list. Just keep on scrolling until you get that SBC option, or alternatively you can press S on your keyboard. That will highlight the folder starting from S only, and you keep on pressing that S button until you go find the SBC. The folders are arranged on alphabetical order. So once you find the SBC folder, just click on it, and on the right hand side you can see a bunch of options available. Here just go to start and click on it and click on modify, and under this value data erase whatever value in there and just put 4 as a new value and click OK. After that close the registry editor window and restart your computer. Once you restart it will definitely work. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and if this video has helped you, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.